Hello guys, how are you all? Hopefully everyone will be safe and sound. Friends, once again I have come up with top-rated Forex trading broker who is providing $30 no deposit bonus 2024. Let's get started. How can we get $30 no deposit bonus from this broker? But before talking about the no deposit bonus, I wanted to say that watch this video complete so that you can understand all in the terms and condition. Windsorbroker's $30 no deposit bonus 2024. Bonus summary. Broker name, Windsorbrokers. Available for new traders. Validity date, the 31st of December 2024. Bonus amount, $30. Windsorbrokers is offering a $30 free account for all clients to start a live trading experience. Trade on Forex, CFD, gold, oil, commodities, shares, indices, and more to non-live account holders. Follow the registration procedure to grab a $30 bonus with no deposit in your client's cabinet. Windsorbroker's $30 no deposit bonus. Register a new account. Verify the personal details. Request for the $30 credit bonus. Cash out. Bonus. Yes. Profits. Yes. Windsorbroker's no deposit bonus. Terms. General terms and conditions apply. Hopefully you enjoyed video and learned something new. Please subscribe to our channel and like video and share it among your friends and family members. Thanks.